grandfather had a farm about 45 miles outside of New Orleans. He had a very small ball and burlap nursery that was called Lear. So I got to spend a lot of time watching my grandfather, my dad do field-grown nursery stock, ball and burlap it, ball it up, bring it back to New Orleans, plant it in people's yards, make recommendations to people about what would be appropriate. I think that is what led me to my eventual first degree in horticulture. We're living in a time where young people are very much interested in the environment. The way I'm trying to change the world is to make science accessible to everyone.